In this video, you'll learn how to create a workflow in n8n. This process involves several steps that will guide you through the platform's interface, enabling you to automate tasks effectively. Begin by navigating to the n8n platform, open your preferred web browser, and enter the n8n URL. Once the page loads, you should see the main dashboard. If prompted, log in using your credentials to access your workspace. Next, locate the plus icon, often found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will present you with options to create a new workflow. A new screen should appear, prompting you to start the workflow creation process. Once this appears, select the option labeled Workflow. This will open a blank workflow canvas where you can begin designing your automation. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, including the toolbar and the workspace area. After that, click on the Create In button, usually positioned at the top of the workflow canvas. This action enables you to define the context in which your workflow will operate. A drop-down menu may appear, allowing you to choose your desired settings. Next, select the Personal option from the drop-down list. This choice will set your workflow to private, ensuring that only you have access to it. Confirm that this setting is reflected in the interface before proceeding. Now click on Add First Step. This will open a menu where you can choose the type of action you want your workflow to perform. Review the options available to determine the first step of your automation. If you wish to utilize AI capabilities, select Build with AI. This feature can enhance your workflow by integrating artificial intelligence into the process. Wait for the interface to update, indicating that the AI options are now accessible. Next, click on the plus sign again to add another step to your workflow. This action will allow you to continue building your automation. Ensure that the interface recognizes your addition before moving on. Proceed by selecting On Chat Message from the list of available actions. This step will define a trigger for your workflow, activating it when a specific chat message is received. Wait for the confirmation that this trigger is set. After setting the trigger, click on Test this trigger. This action will help you verify that the workflow responds correctly to the specified chat message. Observe any feedback or results displayed on the screen to confirm functionality. Next, click on the plus icon once more to continue expanding your workflow. This will allow you to add subsequent steps as needed. Confirm the interface updates accordingly. Select Flow from the menu that appears. This option will help you visualize the sequence of actions within your workflow. Take note of how the workflow diagram reflects your selections. Now click on Merge to combine different paths in your workflow. This feature is crucial for managing complex automations where multiple outcomes may arise. Ensure that the merge functionality is enabled before proceeding. After merging, click on Execute Step. This action will initiate the process you have created thus far. Wait for a confirmation message to appear, indicating that the step has been successfully executed. Next, click on the plus icon again to add another step to your workflow. This provides the flexibility to continuously enhance your automation as needed. Select Data Transformation from the list of actions. This step is essential for shaping the data that flows through your workflow, ensuring it meets your requirements. Next, click on AI Transform. This option allows you to apply AI-driven transformations to your data, enhancing its usability within your workflow. Wait for the interface to reflect this addition. Finally, click on Execute Step once more to run the complete workflow you've built. Observe the results to ensure that everything functions as intended. It is important to verify that the workflow operates smoothly without any errors. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon